All right, here goes. We are off to do a grain bin repair this morning. We got some aerial work, so we've got a crane headed to meet us there. We got to cut out some old sections that are leaking and install some new sections. Harvest is starting up around here, so it's going to be just in time to handle this year's harvest, which the farmer's going to be very happy about because these pipes have been leaking grain. Go up and take a look at what we've got if you want. The pipe we're replacing right here. Okay. Go back that way. Go up to the first landing on the right. Up here. So take this off, then we'll get him to hook to that big one, I think. Take that off, unbolt that, and take that down to the ground. The big one. Okay. And then we'll cut off that box, put it on the new one, sling that one up here, put that clamp on part way, and then Ben said we'll just bring it over, line it up close by, cut it off up on the tower, weld the new ring up on the tower, swing it in, clamp it on, put this one back on. So that's what we're up with. Cool. Okay. Cool.
Now it's my turn with the camera.
We are here on site this morning with these grain bins here. We're getting ready to replace a downspout. This downspout right up here, you can see 2 wraps of orange tape on it. It's been leaking through. They've patched it a few times, but it's come to the point before harvest, the whole thing needs replaced. It's about 23 foot long, 10-inch in diameter, so we're going to replace that one, as well as another little 6-foot, 10-inch pipe feeding into it. Good. All right. So that's free. Yep, keep going. A little more. There we go. Take it away. hanger with a service truck right there. All right, Jesse, are you ready? Back up. I'm just making sure I'm not in the pinch point. All right, here goes. I think you could take it a little bit more. Good?
Yeah, it's great.
Maybe back up still.
What's that?
I have you stick again, yeah.
There's quite a little bit more you can take. on, then bring it over here, and mark it right there. I need a clamp and I need the bolts. May need to let some out. This is the short little pipe. We had a little bit of a wrestle getting it into place. We had welded the flange on at 90 degrees to the end of the pipe, and it turns out that needed to be at a slight angle. So we fought with it for a little bit, used some elbows to see if we could work around it. Finally, we ended up flying it down again, cutting that flange off, putting it back up here, fitting it, and then welding it in place, and that worked really good. Jesse just finished welding up this pipe, bottom and top, and now he is on the top of the grain bin, welding the bottom of the long downspout we put on this morning. I am cleaning up the weld, and I'm going to hit them with some galvanized paint, and we should be good to go.
Thank you.
That's done, isn't it?
That's it, it's done.
Hooray. Now we just need to pick up. That's a wrap on that job. We're all wrapped up. We have been here since 8:30. It is now 5:52, so call it 6 o'clock.
7 o'clock. 6:52.
It's about 6. Oh, I'm on Chicago time. So it's almost 7 o'clock. And we did not eat any lunch. We did not bring any lunch. And we have been up and down that grain bin. I don't know how many times. So we're gonna go get something to eat.
That was a long day, but we got the job done. There's one more plate on one of the division boxes that Jesse's going to come back and put on. It was screwed on there with some silicone before. It's doubling up the bottom side of the box. And so he's going to get some larger screws and some sealant, come back and put that on, and we're done. It went pretty smoothly. There was one time in there where one of the pieces we had prepped should not have been 90 degrees, and so we had to cut that flange off and change it. But other than that, everything went really smoothly. So we had a couple of guys there that have done a lot of grain bins, and that was really helpful, especially on our first one. We learned a lot of things. Will be some different things we'll take next time to make the job a little bit easier. This was only about 60 foot tall, and that's one of the shorter setups, which is nice because we were up and down those stairs a lot today, and I think all of us feel it. But you gotta learn sometime, and we learned today, so that was great. And the farmer's really happy too, because it's something else they can check off their list. It's been needed done for a while, but it's been hard to get a company out here to do it, just because the company that does a lot of it around here is just so busy with bigger setups, they don't have time for the smaller guy. So that was awesome. We got to learn a new skill. Had a great time doing it. Had a couple of great guys there to help. Got the farmers set up for harvest, which looks like they're going to be starting early next week. So that was a win-win-win.